Well, McDonald's is really re-releasing that snack wrap. July 10th, put it on your calendar. But we wanted to taste test the McCrispy strips because that is the foundation of the snack wrap. The snack wrap is a wrap with a strip inside. But
do I need to hold like a bottle up for scale like they did in Jaws so you can sort of see?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay, yeah.
We got the strips because Loop Capital had a downgrade of McDonald's, and it specifically cited the quality of the strip, that franchisees were concerned about the appearance of the strip, that there was less breading in the strip, that the strip was somehow smaller than
can't fake
expected. There it is.
Not bad.
So we decided to get some. Anyway. What do you make of it?
A couple things. When you do these taste tests, the food comes, by the time it's here on set, it's cold. So that's not fair
it's
to
not
the
fair to
people at
McDonald's. Not fair.
One.
It seems to have sufficient breading, and the size
of course
is pretty
does.
decent.
I mean, in this case, maybe size doesn't matter, Mel. Who knows? But I'll say this. In terms of the stock,
you made yourself laugh.
I did make myself laugh. You know, McDonald's has had a few selves over the years. Some of them self-inflicted wounds, some not. The CFO a year or so ago talked about how the customer was trading down, but they seem impervious to just about anything. So if it gets to 260, which I don't think it will, you buy it with both hands.
Lower income consumers having trouble going to McDonald's in this sort of macro backdrop, that's not a good thing, because if they're losing that customer base.
Yeah, and you're also seeing price fatigue because they have been increasing prices. So you're already seeing a strained consumer, especially on the lower income, which is more of the McDonald's consumer. And so, yes, it is going to start to see them pull away. And I think the question is, when it comes to the valuation, it is more expensive than most of its competitors. It's about in line with its longer-term average. But I think the question is, if you are going to see some constraints on the lower-income consumer, a lot of these downgrades had to do with the GLP-1 trend, which I know we've all been kind of arguing, like, is that really going to affect it or not? I don't know. But I think when you add all these things together, plus the valuation, I think that's the real.
What is the valuation now? It's like 26, 27?
It's close to 25, I think. Yeah.
25 forward. So it's like Apple. It's practically like Apple.
Very different model.
Stock was trading like a staple, like over the last, if they just pull that chart up, it was really going sideways, like towards the all-time highs. It was acting well until these downgrades. So something's going on there. It's amazing to have Kate Rogers back. I miss Kate.
Well, now she's back, which is great.
I just had it. I thought it was pretty good.
You
cold,
ate it.
Not cold. I mean, it's fine.
All right.
I mean, it's late in the show, so I'll be okay. If this was early in the show, we'd have a problem.